Welcome back to our channel, where today we'll be exploring the secrets behind periodic classification. Understanding the periodic table is essential for any science student, whether you're in high school or university. Did you know that the periodic table organizes elements based on their atomic number and electron configuration? Each element has its own unique properties, and the periodic table helps us make sense of this vast information. Now, let's delve into the structure of the periodic table and unlock its hidden patterns. Elements placed in the same group share similar chemical properties due to their valence electron configuration. The rows, or periods, of the periodic table indicate the increasing number of electron shells an element possesses. Elements within a period showcase a trend of increasing atomic number and changing physical and chemical properties. Now, let's discuss the groups or families in the periodic table and the elements they contain. The alkali metals, found in group 1, are highly reactive and have only one valence electron. Moving on to group 2, we have the alkaline earth metals, which are still reactive but have two valence electrons. Transition metals, found in groups 3 to 12, have varying valence electrons and exhibit metallic properties. Group 17 comprises the halogens, known for their high reactivity and tendency to form salts. Finally, we have the noble gases in group 18, which are extremely stable due to their full valence electron configuration. The periodic table also provides us with information about atomic radius, ionization energy, and electron affinity. As you navigate the periodic table, you'll notice that elements become less metallic and more non-metallic from left to right. Metals are generally located on the left side of the periodic table, while non-metals are found on the right side. Metalloids, which have properties of both metals and non-metals, can be found along the dividing line between the two. Understanding the periodic table can help us predict the behavior and properties of elements. By analyzing trends and patterns, we can determine which elements are likely to form compounds and how they will react. The periodic table truly is a treasure trove of information, waiting to be decoded by curious minds. So, next time you encounter the periodic table, remember that it holds the secrets to the building blocks of our universe.